News and analysis. Today we'll talk about Intel's recent decision to discontinue its block-scale Bitcoin mining chips and what it means for the mining industry. Intel, one of the world's largest semiconductor companies, announced in 2018 its plans to develop specialized mining chips for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. These chips, known as block-scale, were expected to deliver higher performance and lower power consumption than traditional mining hardware, and could potentially revolutionize the mining industry forward in the world of cryptocurrency mining. Traditional mining hardware has been known for its high energy concerns about its environmental impact. By developing more efficient mining chips, Intel aimed to address these concerns and potentially open up new opportunities in the mining industry. The block-scale mining to be optimized for the SHA-256 algorithm used by Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, with a focus % more performance per watt than competing Intel in the cryptocurrency industry. At the time, some analysts speculated that the move could potentially lead to increased adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, as more easier and more profitable for individuals and organizations to participate in the mining process. However, it's worth noting that the block-scale mining chips were never released to the public. In 2019, Intel announced that it had cancelled its plans to develop the chips, citing a lack of demand for specialized mining hardware. The mining industry, which had hoped that the development of more efficient and cost-effective mining hardware would help to address some of the industry's key challenges. In fact, the project didn't go as planned. According to sources, the block-scale team faced several technical challenges and delays, which resulted in missed deadlines and increased costs. As a result, Intel has decided to shut down the project and focus on other areas of its business. While the decision was not entirely unexpected, it has raised concerns about the future of Bitcoin mining and the role of specialized hardware in the process. Some analysts argue that the failure of block-scale could delay investing in mining chips, which could ultimately hurt the network's security and decentralization. They point out that Bitcoin mining has always been a dynamic and competitive field where even without block-scale, there are many other companies working on mining chips, and some of them are already producing impressive results. For example, Bitmain has recently launched its Antminer S19 Pro, which boasts a hash rate of up to 110 TH/s and a power efficiency of 29.5 J/TH. Other companies, such as K Micro BT, are also developing cutting-edge mining equipment that could challenge Bitmain's dominance. Moreover, some argue that the failure of block-scale could actually be a positive development for Bitcoin's long-term prospects. By reducing the reliance on specialized hardware, Bitcoin mining could become more accessible and decentralized, allowing more people to participate in the network and reducing the risk of centralization. Intel's decision to discontinue the development of its block-scale mining chips may come as a surprise to some, but it's not necessarily a death knell for the Bitcoin mining industry. While specialized hardware has traditionally played a critical role in mining, there are several other technologies and players that could step in and pick up the slack. For example, there are already several companies developing more efficient and powerful mining computer hardware. Additionally, as more renewable energy sources become available, there could be a shift towards more environmentally sustainable mining practices that rely less on specialized hardware. Moreover, the failure of block-scale could lead to a more decentralized and diverse mining ecosystem. Currently, the majority of Bitcoin mining is concentrated in China, with a handful of large mining pools controlling a significant portion of the network's computing power. This centralization has been a concern for some time, as it leaves the network vulnerable to manipulation and attack. With the decline of specialized mining hardware, smaller and more independent miners could have a greater chance to compete and contribute to the network's security. The discontinuation of Intel's block-scale may not have an immediate impact on the Bitcoin network, but it does raise important questions about the future of Bitcoin mining. The development of specialized consequences. With the rise of alternative cryptocurrencies and the increasing demand for environmentally sustainable mining solutions, the Bitcoin mining industry is in a state of flux, and it remains to be seen how it will evolve in the coming years. Ultimately, it's important for investors and enthusiasts to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments in the mining industry. While changes and disruptions may be inevitable, they can also create opportunities for innovation and growth. As the cryptocurrency ecosystem continues for stakeholders to work together to ensure that the industry remains sustainable, secure,